Tired of waiting for your Afterpay refunds or just need that cash now? This video will show you a little known trick to get instant access to your Afterpay funds. First, confirm you have an available balance in your Afterpay account, whether it's from a refund or just unused credit. This method works with both. Next, you'll need a Cash App account. If you don't already have one, download it from your App Store and create an account. It's fast and free. Now, inside Cash App, link your Afterpay card as a payment method. Go to the linked banks section and select Add Card, then enter your Afterpay card details exactly as they appear on the card. Send a payment of at least $5 to a trusted friend or family member who also has Cash App. Make sure you select your Afterpay card as the payment source before you send. Have your friend or family member instantly send the money back to you from their Cash App account. It's like a quick digital transfer. Finally, withdraw the funds from your Cash App account directly to your bank account. And that's it. You have instant access to your Afterpay funds.